I'm Chief Happiness Officer at Happy. Happy's training is fun, practical and work-focused to give you the practical skills that will boost your productivity and make you more effective.
You're not going to come here and sit down looking at a PowerPoint slide or a presentation or listening to someone just explaining and giving instructions. You're going to spend time using the system.
Favourite course that I've done here so far with Happy would be the Analysing Excel Data for Better Business Decisions course. I've used it myself for analysing data sets of about 20,000 entries.
I'm training PowerPoint today at level 2 and we're focusing on how to change the master slides, how to create a template and how to add themes and styles.
My experience here has always been delightful and fun, and that's the main thing that people get when they come here. Fun, practical experience. You're going to get everything that you need in order for you to be efficient in what you do with your work. And you're going to have a great time as well.
98% of our delegates say they really enjoyed their day at Happy. On the independent rating system FIFO, we got a rating of 4.7 out of 5.
If you don't totally love our course, we offer a no-quibble money-back guarantee for total peace of mind.
Come to Happy and enjoy your learning.